Welcome back. So this is our starter template. As you see, it is empty, and if we looked at the style, we have nothing here. Let's go now and install our live sass compiler and see how it works. We'll install it, and once it is installed, we will go back to our files and let's create our first CSS file. Okay, once we create that, we will find out that there is a button appeared here which is called Watch Sass. Now, what is the function of this? Once we click on this button, we will enable the live sass compiler, and it will take the whatever is here and the name of this file, and it will convert it to a style.css file. So let's see that. As you see, it made our style.css file. If we wrote anything here, just like this, and we clicked save and went back to the style.css, we will find that it enabled anything or any changes we made to this file. So it watches any changes and convert it to the style.css file. In the next video, we will understand and make other SCSS files, but we will find that we can convert them all to the same style.css file. So at the end of the project, we will only have one link, one style.css file to attach to our index.html, and not a lot of them. So let's do that in the next video. Thanks a lot.